Too busy to cook but still want to eat healthy? Let me show you how to meal prep like a pro without spending your whole weekend in the kitchen. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to save time, reduce stress, and keep your meals both delicious and healthy. Let's go! Life gets hectic, we've all been there. Whether it's a packed work schedule, kids, or just feeling too tired, it's easy to reach for takeout or skip meals altogether. But that's where meal prep saves the day. With a little planning, you'll have healthy, ready-to-eat meals waiting for you all week. Plus, it saves you money and keeps you on track with your health goals. Sounds like a win-win, right? Step 1. Don't overcomplicate it. Meal prep isn't about cooking a 5-star meal every night. It's about keeping it simple and realistic. Start by planning 2 to 3 easy recipes you can batch cook, like grilled chicken, roasted veggies, or a big pot of brown rice. Pro tip: choose recipes that use similar ingredients to save money and cut down on food waste. Next, let's talk tools. Investing in a few basics will make your meal prep so much easier. Grab some reusable containers, mason jars for salads, and a good set of measuring spoons. Oh, and don't forget a sharp knife, because nothing slows you down like trying to cut a sweet potato with a dull blade. Trust me, I've tried. Now the real magic of meal prep is batch cooking. Dedicate an hour or two to cooking larger portions of a few staples. Think roasted veggies, baked chicken, quinoa, or even hard-boiled eggs. Once you have the basics ready, you can mix and match them all week. It's like having your own healthy buffet. Okay, here's the part people always overlook. Make your meal prep fun and flavorful. Use seasonings and sauces to keep things interesting. Add a dash of paprika to your chicken or drizzle a little tahini over your veggies. And if you're feeling fancy, whip up a simple dressing. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring, it should be delicious. For the super busy days, here's a hack: pre-chop your veggies or buy them pre-cut. It's a lifesaver. Another trick: use your freezer. Double your recipes and freeze portions for those weeks when you just can't find the time to cook. And let's be real, those weeks happen more often than we'd like. There you have it, meal prep made simple for even the busiest schedules. Ready to give it a try? Start small, keep it simple, and before you know it, you'll be a meal prep master. And hey, if your first batch ends up looking more like Pinterest fails, don't worry, you're not alone. Let me know your favorite meal prep hack in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who's still eating cereal for dinner. See you in the next video.